basement.
Basement cosmetics.
I love how I look. I have a chef hat. I'm ripped, and I have some eyes.
That's peaceful.
Hey yo, there's a torch here.
Alright, look, stay right here, stay right here. Wait, Carter, don't touch it. Get in my basement, boy! Get in my basement! Get in my basement! Yo, look at all these posters. No.
Wait, hang on.
Oh, this is like the mazes. What is that?
Bro, why is it kind of looking
Why does bro have 4 arms?
Shut
a zombie.
Yo, there's a pink guy.
Wow.
What the? Let's all go.
No, his voice is so goofy.
Oh, here's one of them.
Oh, they're moaning. Ugh.
It's like your mom. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh God.
There's one behind us. No, I died.
It's one in front of us too.
What is this?
Joke's on
What is
y'all.
this down here?
No.
Like this?
Where am I?
What the? Wait, guys. I'll guide you.
Whoa!
Mommy.
I'm assuming we leave
Stay
here.
over here.
Hey, come here. Follow
big.
me. Follow me.
This way.
No. Follow my finger.
Okay. Okay.
Watch out.
The boy.
Oh no, not there, not there. Hey, please don't hurt me.
Stupid boundary
What?
doesn't show up in the recording.
Wait, guys, there's a cell here. There's a cell here. There's a cell down here.
I mean, I saw. I didn't know what it was. Go investigate.
There's no way in, guys.
There's a chest
Oh,
with the monster
It's
plushie.
I saw pink over there. I hear him.
Holy shit.
Oh, he's gonna be right here. Oh, this is the exit. No, that sounds.
Bro.
He sounds like a baby. He's so short. It's just like real life. Whoa! Look, Carter, look.
How did you do that?
I think it's a
You
glitch,
playing
but
with
my particles are huge. Just like my Carter.
See that for me now.
Carter, can you see my hand on the wall?
Yeah, but yeah, I can.
Okay, tell me when it's
Okay, guys,
on the
where?
prison.
Now,
Right there?
keep your hand right there.
Okay.
Yeah, keep your hand right here.
So, it could be anywhere in like this aisle right here.
Look at my other hand. Do you see my other
Yeah,
hand?
yeah,
on the
yeah.
wall?
That's right. That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
That's right.
that's
That's
good,
right. That's
that's
right.
Right there.
Uh huh.
Right there,
This
and
line,
then here.
this one. Alright, it's like this corner right here. Okay, so I think we just have to die above it, and then we go inside of it. I have a pretty good understanding of the map layout. Carter just died?
The immolations are... I mean, it seems pretty accurate, so I don't know.
Right here?
A key.
Okay,
Key.
I'm gonna
Armor
s-
bait. I don't know what happens if you get...
Oh, there's a blue one.
Watch out,
I'm about to get got.
Hmm?
Alright, get me.
Jordan,
I'm in!
loop around.
I'm in!
Jordan!
I'm stuck. And there's a Lucy skeleton!
Take me.
Jordan, we were guarding you.
It's fair.
Jordan!
Carter!
Well, there are. It's just a like an air current.
Ah!
Tell us if you ever get to the corner.
Okay, right. Okay, turning right.
Sin.
Left. Left. Oh no! Blue can't sense me.
We need Tristan's POV
Blue can't
right
sense
now,
me.
you know.
I'm on top of the torch. Okay, I'm going.
I have it. Oh, he's coming.
I was turning my archer. Look what happened.
Yeah! Yeah!
Right, this ball. Triple this ball. Let's go.
Yeah! Alright, the hole!
Guys, I think it's
Put it
only
in.
right if we... No, what? Yo, it's so lame. I was gonna
Well,
do it
okay,
right
so-
before.
Wow. We did all this just for an alternate way to leave the maze. Are you serious?
No shot. It's just gonna make us big again, bruh. Wait.
Wait, what?
Oh, it's probably
Wait,
because
guys,
we're under the
wait,
table.
guys, don't go out under the table. It might like
Wait.
instantly make
Wait.
Oh.
Wait. No shot.
Let's go!
Yeah!
No!
No!
Crap. Dude, my
Carter.
hands are so tired.
Carter! Whoa.
Yes.
Wait, I'm almost up.
I see. Sussy monkey! Sussy monkey! We're up.
I'm not stupid.
I'm up. I'm up. You gotta switch. You gotta switch walls.
No! Wait, I'm fine.
Just
Wait.
wall jump.
Yo, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, you tired son of a.
How tiny everyone
Yo,
is.
yo. Do you think they see us?
Like the seeker's big.
Do you think they can? Yeah. Do you think they can
They're
see?
following each other. Oh,
Dang, they just killed.
I'll do it. Y'all doing it. Y'all approaching the wrong way.
Actually,
Now
touch
watch
that
this.
chest.
I'm in!
Wow. I just popped my
Add
back.
to cart.
Stop nerding out. Like, jeez.
Where's Tristan? Did you climb up the stairs?
No, Jordan. Why would I ever do that?
So we're gonna try to get big by going down this way and then coming back out. Okay, that doesn't work.
Take me, bro.
If I leave, do I commit big?
They still have mother.
Nope.
Bro,
I
how
did
do we
not
become
commit
big?
big. What is he talking about over there?
I'm getting the milk. I'm getting the milk, son. I'm getting the milk.
I gotta get to him. I gotta catch up.
Dad, wait! Wait, we have almond milk!
I
No.
put the nut in that milk.
I'm disowning you.
I thought it was funny.
Carter, you're
Oh,
short. You
that's
can't
why
be
you're
funny.
fatherless.
You ready?
Alright,
Let's do this together.
let's go.
We gotta get to the...
We're getting
Oh
bigger.
my god, we're already getting big.
We're getting larger. And
Oh
we're
my
normal
God.
sized.
How many shiny rocks y'all got?
100 subscriber special coming soon!
I need to purchase the milk fast. Milk, milk, milk. Hey, milk, milk. Yes, yes, yes. Milk, milk, milk. Okay, I got the milk, I got the milk. Time to raise up to the heavens. I have the milk.